इस समय हम मौजूद हैं सिक्किम। कुछ लोग इसे जन्नत के नाम से जानते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं ये विशाल पहाड़, ये हसीन वादियां, आप सुन सकते हैं तीस्ता नदी का मधुर संगीत। शायद किसी की बुरी नजर लगी इस जन्नत को। 18 सितंबर 2011 को एक जबरदस्त भूकंप द्वारा कुदरत ने अपने क्रोध को प्रकट किया। चट्टानें फटी, पहाड़ टूटे, पृथ्वी कांपी, इमारतें गिरी, सड़कें तहस नहस हो गई। जिन लोगों ने सैटेलाइट फोटोग्राफ्स देखी, उनका कहना था कि नेशनल हाईवे 31A जो सिक्किम को बाकी देश से जोड़ता है, उसे खोलने में कम से कम 3 या 4 सप्ताह लगेंगे, क्योंकि 500 से ज्यादा लैंडस्लाइड्स ने इस सड़क को ब्लॉक कर दिया था। लेकिन ये सड़क खोल दी गई 20 घंटे से कम समय में। कैसे हुआ ये चमत्कार? कौन हैं ये जांबाज लोग जिन्होंने अपनी जान पर खेलकर अपने कर्तव्य का पालन किया, सच्ची निष्ठा और लगन के साथ? These are the supermen and superwomen of the Border Roads Organization. हमारी कहानी की शुरुआत होती है सिक्किम में, भारत का एक अनमोल हिस्सा। कहा जाता है कि जब परवरदिगार ने सिक्किम को बनाया, he pondered long and intently over the magnificence of his effort. ऐसा कुछ और नहीं था, ना कभी होगा। So he broke the mold. Sikkim, the land of eternal beauty and grace, of placid lakes, protected by mighty mountains. एक सौंदर्य beyond description, beyond compare, where friendship is a tradition and welcome shines through every smile. The towering mountains, the verdant valleys, the soaring cliffs. सचमुच यही जन्नत है। Sikkim, the splendid jewel in the glorious crown that we call India, where the mountains and the sky and the earth blend into a seamless fusion. Idyllic villages nestled in the mountains, life in total harmony with nature. The people happy to be at peace with themselves. हर वादी में मुस्कान है, हर पहाड़ एक चट्टान है, हर दिल की धड़कन एक गूंज है। सिक्किम मेरे जहां की जान है। सिक्किम, कौन सा कवि वर्णन कर सकता है सही शब्दों में? कौन चित्रकार ऐसी तस्वीर बना सकता है टू रिफ्लेक्ट द जेंटल ट्विंकलिंग रिदम्स ऑफ लाइफ इन सिक्किम? There is mist in the air, magic in the sky, melody in the mountains, and music everywhere. Sikkim, creation at its best. What the eyes can see, or the ears can hear, or the body can feel. This is pure beauty. This is Sikkim. Look at this devastation when nature is tested beyond its limits. प्रकृति अपना आक्रोश प्रकट करती है। इंसान जो बनाता है और अपने आप को बहुत बलवान समझता है, पलक झपकते ही वो सब तबाह हो जाता है। The awesome power of nature, seen and felt everywhere in Sikkim. Destruction on an unprecedented scale, never before seen or experienced in paradise. हर तरफ बर्बादी के निशान. Evidence everywhere of man's weakness against nature. भूकंप ने किसी चीज को नहीं छोड़ा. यूं लगता था कि धरती मां सब कुछ वापस लेना चाहती है. And then they came. The men and officers of the Border Roads Organization. Brave men and women who work while others sleep. Who dare while others fly. They build our nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. This is a tribute to the unconquerable spirit of India. This is a story that needs to be told again and again. This is the story of the courage of the people of India. The work ethos of the Border Roads Organization is leadership driven. Lieutenant General S. Ravi Shankar, Director General, Border Roads Organization, came to Sikkim when we were there to meet his people. उन्हें प्रोत्साहित करने, उन्हें शाबाशी देने और उन्हें याद दिलाने कि अभी चुनौतियां और भी हैं. We have miles to go before we sleep. Lieutenant General S. Ravi Shankar, VSM, also came to salute those of his team who had laid down their lives, sacrificing themselves so others could live. The Director General met the local people. Their enthusiasm and excitement was palpable. वहां के लोगों ने अपने हृदय की गहराइयों से BRO का धन्यवाद किया. On his inspection, the Director General was assured that should such a calamity, God forbid, occur again, the Border Roads Organization would be ready. इसीलिए तो Border Roads कहती है, श्रमेण सर्वम साध्यम. कड़ी मेहनत के साथ हर चीज मुमकिन है, हर कठिनाई का सामना किया जा सकता है. And they say, we create, we connect, we care.
आप लोगों को सब मिलके आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हुआ ये देख के कि इतना बड़ा भूकंप आके, अर्थक्वेक आके भी आप लोग इतना जोश और हौसले के साथ सब मिलके अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं और सब लोग कल की नहीं आगे की सोच रहे हैं. इससे पता चलता है कि इस गांव के लोग में कितना हिम्मत है, कितना जोश है और आप लोगों का हिम्मत और जोश के साथ जो बॉर्डर रोड्स जो आर्मी है उनके अंदर भी वो हिम्मत जोश आती है जिनसे आपको मदद कर सकते हैं.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विशेषज्ञ जिन्होंने उपग्रह द्वारा लिए तस्वीरें देखी, उन्होंने कहा कि आपको ये सड़क नेशनल हाईवे जो दक्षिण सिक्किम को गैंगटॉक से जोड़ती है, इसको खोलने में कम से कम 3 या 4 सप्ताह चाहिए. लेकिन बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जाबाज जवानों ने 20 घंटे से कम में इस सड़क को खोल दिया. Who are these amazing sons and daughters of India? यही प्रश्न हमने पूछा डायरेक्टर जनरल, महानिदेशक बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, जिनसे हमारी मुलाकात हुई चुंगथांग में, द एपिसेंटर ऑफ दिस डेवास्टेटिंग अर्थक्वेक. जनरल एस रविशंकर, VSM, who are these people?
who are they? Well, we are from the border roads, and we've been working in the mountains for a long time. And in a way, to most of these people here, it has become a second home. And when you see something like this happening here, I think the responses are natural. It is something that they do for the people around them. So if they are superheroes for the people around them. That's all it is.
General, what was your response when you were told that the blocked roads had been opened well ahead of schedule within just a few hours?
When we got the news, we wanted to know more about what was happening. And I think the immediate reaction was to ring up the chief engineer. And I found that he was in Calcutta, well away from this place. So then one tried to get in communication with the headquarters here. And we got through to the headquarters and asked them what was happening. And the immediate effort was to get as much information as we could. So we told them to start gathering information, and these boys, they set up an office where they could ring up, and all of them, now that I'm told, they walked to different roads and started gathering information on the ground. So what was happening at that time was the stones were shooting, the landslides were still coming, and there was nothing that could be done as long as the stones were shooting. So the instructions to them were very clear. As long as the stones are shooting, don't do anything. Wait, gather information. And then it was around 4 o'clock that they decided, I think it is now safe enough by border road standards to start working. And then the clearance started. And then they started clearing from wherever they were along the road. And when I came here, they were explaining to me how they had taken equipment across landslides by actually jumping them. When I say jumping them, they're talking of jumping that excavator that you see behind me across a landslide. So what it means is they cut a small track along the landslide and they keep going. If the excavator is tending to topple, the bucket is used as a third leg and it props it up, and slowly they literally walk it across the landslide and put it on the other side of the landslide so that they can tackle the next one. So even this has been jumped over 2-3 landslides and it has reached here, and it has started working on this even before landslides before this have been cleared. So this kind of action was continuously happening all along the road from Teesta to Gangtok, because everyone realized that was the most important lifeline for the city. And when the shooting stones were a little lesser, 4 in the morning they started. When I was asked in the morning as to when will they clear it, I said 48 hours, because that was the best figure I could say at that time. But by 9 o'clock at a conference, I was telling them, please expect it by 4 in the evening. And at 12 o'clock they said the road to Gangtok is through, which means all those teams that were waiting to be inducted into Gangtok and Byong-Chungtung from the ITBP, from the Home Ministry, Special Forces, they could all actually get to Gangtok and get beyond.
जनरल रविशंकर, आपको कैसा लगा जब आपके लड़कों ने ये सड़क कुछ ही घंटों में खोल दी?
It did come as a surprise to me. What we were thinking was 4 weeks just last night had suddenly reduced to 48 hours and then to less than 20 hours. And one was left wondering as to how did they actually do it. And what was more important was the fact that the commander was still moving in. The task force commander was also really not at the scene. So who had started the whole thing, who had got everything organized, was the question I was asking myself. But the answer was quite clear. A little bit of thought and you knew that everyone had responded to it as best as he could wherever he was. And this kind of a simultaneous action happening shows a lot of confidence of these boys in themselves, in their machines, and a kind of a commitment to the people around them, which I thought was very impressive to me, it was a matter of pride.
General S. Ravi Shankar, did your heart swell with pride?
much more than any other event that I have been in earlier. It was quite special as far as I am concerned, that something like this had happened and the BRO was able to do it, and I was part of the BRO at that time.
General S. Ravi Shankar, today I'm wearing black overalls because I feel that I'm a member of the Border Roads Organization. The entire country salutes you. I do, sir.
Thank you so much.
BRO का परफॉर्मेंस एक्सीलेंट सर, और मैं चुंगथांग GPU के तरफ से दूरदर्शन टीम को हार्दिक स्वागत करना चाहता हूं सर। जो डिजास्टर हुआ वो मेरा उम्र में ये फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ। जो हल्का फुल्का पहले 1980s में 1997 में हल्का फुल्का कुछ आता था, लेकिन उस समय किसी को इतना प्रभावित नहीं हुआ। ये कुदरत का देन था कि कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे हमको झेलना, उनका एक इंटरव्यू जैसा लगा हमको। लेकिन हमें हर डिपार्टमेंट, हर रिसोर्स पर्सन सभी का मदद से हमारा यहाँ पे उतना जितना बाहर जितना स्टेट में जितना तकलीफ उठाना पड़ा, हमें उतना खास उठाना नहीं पड़ा, क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ पे सारा सब आदमी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ऑल द डिफेंस BROs, जितना पर्सनल ऑफिसर इंचार्ज है, तो उनका मदद का माध्यम से तो हमें राहत का जो मदद है बहुत जल्द मिला हमको।
जब दुखदाई घटना होती है, nothing is more reassuring to its victims than friendly faces and helping hands. In Sikkim, the members of the Border Roads Organization came as angels of mercy.
मेरा 2 बच्चा है। 8 क्विक आने टाइम में मैं मेरा ख्याल 2 बच्चे को लिए आया था, और मेरा दोनों बच्चे गैंगटॉक में रहता है, गैंगटॉक हॉस्टल में पढ़ता है। एक 5 साल का, एक 12 इयर्स का है। बॉर्डर रोड वाला अभी उधर नीचे जाने वाला ब्लॉक है, लाचेन लाचुंग, इधर बोप साइड में सब उन लोग ने 2-3 दिन में हेल्प किया सर, सब खोल दिया बॉर्डर।
Border Roads is also involved in relief efforts, leaving no stone unturned, literally, to keep the roads open and bringing food and essential supplies to those affected. This kind of selfless dedication and commitment exemplifies the compassionate spirit of India.
BRO ने शॉर्ट पीरियड में क्लियर कर दिया, और अभी हम लोगों को राशन और केरोसिन, जितना भी तेल पानी है, सब सरकार की तरफ से मिल रहा है। और अभी थोड़ा बहुत आदमी लोग गुरुद्वार में भी रह रहा है, कोई स्कूल के ग्राउंड में रह रहा है, कोई हेलीपैड के ग्राउंड में भी रह रहा है। अभी खाने पीने के लिए कोई चिंता नहीं है। जो जितना भी सरकार ने दिया है, NGOs, कल से हम लोग ने राशन भी मिलना शुरू हो गया।
सर, जब भूकंप आया उसके बाद पूरी एक्सेस बंद हो गई थी, तो हमें अपनी मशीनों के लिए डीजल की बहुत ज़रूरत थी। तब इस टनल के थ्रू हमने अपना डीजल और राशन इसी टनल के थ्रू हमारे पास आता रहा। इस टनल ने पूरे दौरान बहुत योगदान दिया हमें, और हमारी सारी सप्लाई लाइन्स इसी टनल के थ्रू चलती रही। भूकंप के बाद ये पानी का रिसाव और बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगी, तो टनल में तभी इससे ज़्यादा पानी था, तो टनल में सिर्फ तभी बड़ी गाड़ियाँ चलती थी, तो उसके कारण, और ये सारा सरफेस वाटर है, तो ये टनल में रिसाव होता रहा। तो भूकंप के बाद इसका खूब ज़्यादा रिसाव हुआ, और हमने अपनी सप्लाई सारी हेवी लॉरीज में मंगानी पड़ी हमें।
ये गोम्पा है गैंगटॉक के निकट, badly damaged in the earthquake. Nature in its own way wants to give us a reminder. उसकी सब्र की भी सीमा है। प्रकृति अगर हमारी माँ है, तो माँ से बेवफाई नहीं की जाती। As the Lord Buddha said, अपने दीपक आप बनो।
Border Roads has done a magnificent job in the sense that they also sprang into action immediately. They started clearing the roads immediately, and by the second day, around Chungthang, the roads were clear. And the OC here, Major Sonal Rajput, he was also there in rescue attempts. So he was doing both clearing of the roads and also rescuing people who were stuck in the slides.
I don't think I need to give them any message. They are the ones who have given the message to me, and I think everybody else who's watched them work. A message that they are capable of handling extreme situations, professionally capable and totally dedicated. And if there is Project Swastik here in Sikkim, there are 17 more projects all along the borders, equally capable, I should say. All that remains for me to say is, well done. And thank you for all the support they got so spontaneously from the army, from the ITBP, from the administration, from all the engineering units that were around here that shared almost anything they could in any which way they could. And of course the locals who have actually helped the BRO, helped them. A big thank you to all of them. That's all I would like to say. Jai Hind.
दिल तो नहीं चाहता कि इस जन्नत को छोड़कर हम वापस लौटें। तीस्ता नदी का पवित्र स्वर, इन विशाल पहाड़ों की आवाज, इन हसीन वादियों की गूंज। दिल तो यही चाहता है कि हमेशा हम यहीं टिके रहें, सिक्किम में, जन्नत में। लेकिन कुछ तो मजबूरियां होंगी, वरना हम बेवफा नहीं।